in this video, I will tell you how to join a league with code in ESPN Fantasy Football. So first of all, let's understand one thing, that ESPN does not have a particular standalone numeric or text code. So the code people normally refer to is the link or the invite link. So whenever you get the invite link from your friend or from anyone, it will look like this. You will have to simply click on the link. From here you will get this join this league button. Simply click on join this league, or sometimes you might be asked to log in first. Log in, then click on join this league, put in your email, and then click on continue, put in your password, and you will be joined in that league. And that's it. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.